Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Swift versus Python. Swift, developed by Apple, is renowned for its exceptional performance, often achieving speeds comparable to C++. This makes it ideal for demanding applications where execution speed is critical. Python, on the other hand, while generally slower due to being an interpreted language, offers unparalleled readability and ease of use, making development quicker for many projects. The performance difference can be quite significant, with Swift completing tasks many times faster in certain scenarios. When considering use cases, Swift is the go-to language for building native applications across Apple's entire ecosystem, from iPhones to Macs. Its robust framework ensures seamless integration and optimal performance on these platforms. Python, however, shines in a broader array of domains, including powerful web development, complex data analysis, cutting-edge machine learning, and efficient automation. Each language offers a rich ecosystem of tools and libraries, catering to their distinct primary applications. For those new to programming, Python is often recommended due to its remarkably simple and intuitive syntax, making it incredibly easy to pick up. Swift, while offering a more modern and safe approach to coding, does present a slightly steeper learning curve for newcomers. However, its design helps prevent many common programming mistakes. Python's emphasis on readability often translates into quicker development cycles and more maintainable code, especially for projects where rapid iteration is key. Looking at community and future prospects, Python boasts an enormous and incredibly active global community, offering an unparalleled wealth of resources, tutorials, and support for developers. Swift's community, while more focused on the Apple ecosystem, is also vibrant and growing rapidly, with strong backing from Apple itself. Both languages are under continuous development, receiving regular updates and new features, ensuring they remain powerful and relevant tools for a long time into the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.